mean, that's definitely something that we want to keep up with over the next couple of days, and just keep an eye on overall. Is there any other news, just in general, even from like the SEC or IRS, that might be beneficial for people to know as they're filing their taxes this year?
Yeah, so there's a proposed double in the capital gains rate for long term. I suppose probably worth just covering the basics. So, if you have made a gain at the point at which you sell crypto or any kind of capital or property asset, you have to kind of understand how much tax you're up for. The way the US tax system does that is it classes capital gains into short and long term gains. There's different rates for each. So generally, if you hold for more than 12 months, which is the period of time which is classed as long term gains, then you get a more favorable capital gains tax rate. And the actual rate depends on the marginal federal income tax rate that you actually pay. So the proposal is to increase that long term gains rate. Again, we're not sure whether that will go through. This is proposals, kind of very, very early stages at this point, but it has a lot of people talking, obviously, of the implications of that, particularly given, I think, people are very much kind of hurting with their crypto portfolios at the moment, and yeah, this will have a kind of significant impact, particularly when markets bounce back.
Yeah, I totally agree with that too. So yeah, before we kind of take a deeper dive into the actual topic of crypto taxes and doing your taxes, if anyone has any questions, you can feel free to leave a comment on the Twitter Spaces or even request to be a speaker. And also, one other thing, Coinly has a discounted code for our listeners today, so I'll let Danny talk more about that too.
Yeah, so I'll share the discount code. I think we're also going to put it in the comments off the Twitter Spaces, but the code is Illuminati 23, and that gives you 20% off crypto tax reports, and I believe it'll end on Monday. So, if you are getting around to file your crypto taxes, we'll probably cover this, but using software is a really good way to just avoid spending hours actually compiling your records. And if you're about to prepare that, obviously the deadline's coming up in the US, then yeah, now is a good time to do it.